Jogashima, a tranquil little island located about an hour and a half from Yokohama, or 2 hours from Tokyo. It's known for its seafood and encounters with cute felines. Join us as we rediscover Jogashima, a place that has a special meaning for us. 7 years ago we visited Jogashima, and it was here that we discovered our affectionate cats, I think. We met this delightful little cat while enjoying some ice cream from a nearby shop. Hopefully we can reunite. Upon arriving at Misakiguchi Station, a short bus ride takes us across to the island. Jogashima is a somewhat ghostly place, yet it offers new restaurants that cater to visitors seeking the best maguro. However, one of our primary purposes was to reunite with our furry friend, and we found her. It's still there.
Hello! Oh god, it's so cute! You bat! Hello? Can I touch? No?
Yeah, he doesn't bite. You got really sharp nails, yeah? The owner gave us some really cute postcards featuring her. Be sure to check out their Instagram. They also raise funds to support the feline population on the island. While exploring the island, we encountered a lot of other cute cats. One of them seems to be quite knowledgeable about a fishing spot. Cats have their secret talents, I guess. As we go get some beers, my secret identity is finally exposed by the shopkeeper.
That must be really old.
Yeah, I know. You're getting old.
Continuing our journey, we venture down the coastline. Jogashima has recently become a popular destination for couples seeking wedding photo shoots. Throughout the day, we saw several couples posing against different backgrounds of the island. As the day comes to an end, we head towards a park area to enjoy a kind of mini picnic. Thanks so much for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed this content, and see you again next time.